Assalamu alaikum. We have been given with a nice exponential function that is 3 raised to power 2x minus 10 into 3 raised to power x plus 9 is equal to 0. So let's go through the step-by-step solutions of this question. We can rewrite it as 3x whole to minus 10 into 3 raised to x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now as x raised to mn, it can be written as x raised to power m whole n. Okay, we apply this property on this one. Now let 3 raised to power x is equal to b. So this equation becomes like b square minus 10b par this 3 raised to power x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now this become quadratic equation in variable b. The terms on left sides have nothing common in them. To factorize this quadratic equation, we will first look for two numbers that multiply to give 1 into 9, and when add to give the middle term that is minus 10b. So this is rough work. 1 into 9, and to find out such numbers 9, we gonna write all the factors of this 9. So by 1, 9 ones are 9, and then we have 3 into 3 that also gave us 9. But what? We have to make combination such that it might get us minus 10. So here by developing minus and minus, so by adding these two numbers that will give us minus 10. So we can rewrite the middle term as minus 9b and minus 1b. Okay, so this leaves us with b square and minus 9b minus 1b plus 9 equal to 0. Now we will group the terms and factors by grouping. So this is one group and this is another group. So taking b common from these two, from this group b minus 9, and from this group minus 1 and 9. We have a common factor b minus 9. So, and here we will let off the b minus 1. Now we will use the zero product property, and according to zero product properties, if the product of two or more factor is equal to 0, then at least one of the factors must be equal to 0. Now we will set each factor equal to 0 and solve for b separately. Okay, first I will take this one. B minus 9 is equal to 0, which implies that b is equal to 9. And we know that b has been supposed, or it has been substituted, and its original value is 3 raised to power x. So let me write it as for b, it has a value original of 3 raised to power x is equal to 9. And what if I have to write this 9 in terms of 3, that is 3 square. Okay, so we know that the basis of both sides of equation is 3. Since the bases are the same, we can conclude that the exponents must be equal. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Okay. Now for this second factor, let b minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies that b is equal to 1. Taking this one on other side of equality, as a result, its sign will be reversed. And now we know that b's original value is 3 raised to power x is equal to 1. Let's make r1 can be written as 3x is equal to 3. 0. Now, when we have the same bases raised to different exponents and the resultant expression is equal, then the exponents also be equal. Therefore, in this case, the value of x is 0. Okay, so the solution set is 0 and 2. Now it is important to check the solutions by substituting them back in the original equation to ensure they are valid. Okay, so let's substitute the solution that is 0 and 2 and this original equation to check whether they are valid or not. Now we have to verify this solution set that is of 0 and 2 are this. So let's put this first. We will check for 0 and this equation 3 raised to power 2 into 0 minus 10 into 3 raised to power 0 plus 9. Let's see whether it will generate 0 or not. So anything multiplied by 0 will get 0, and anything having power 0 is equal to 1 plus 9. As I told you that anything having power 0 is equal to 1, and 10 ones are 10 plus 9. So 1 minus 10 will get us plus 9. Minus 9 now this, so yes, it gave us 0. So yes, it satisfies this equation. To check this 2, so let's put this 2 and this original equation, so it will become 3 raised to power 2 into 2 minus 10 times 3 raised to power 2 plus 9. So we also have to check whether it will give us this right hand side, that is 0. So 3 2 2s are 4, 3 raised to power 4 minus 10 into 9 plus 9. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, minus 9 into 10 will get us 90 plus 9. So when this one, so 81 minus 90 will get us minus 9, and this plus 9 is equal to 0. So yes, both of them are real roots of this equation. So yes, this is the answer. Okay, if you like this video, do subscribe my channel.